Okay, honey, let's talk about color fading. It's something that happens to the best of us, and it can be super frustrating. You spend all that time and money getting the perfect shade, only to see it lose its vibrancy over time. But why does this happen? It's a total bummer when your vibrant hue starts looking dull. You might notice that your once brilliant color has turned flat and lifeless. This can be especially disheartening if you've just had your hair colored recently. Several things can cause your color to fade faster than you'd like. It's not just one thing, but a combination of factors that can strip away that beautiful color. Let's dive into some of the main culprits. First up, washing your hair too frequently can strip away those gorgeous color molecules. Every time you wash your hair, you're washing away a bit of that color. This is especially true if you're using a shampoo that isn't color safe. Hot water is another culprit, as it opens up the hair cuticle, letting the color escape. When the cuticle is open, it's easier for the color to wash out. So try to wash your hair with cooler water to help keep that cuticle closed. And don't even get me started on UV rays. The sun can be incredibly damaging to your hair color. Just like how it can damage your skin, it can also break down the color molecules in your hair. Those bad boys can wreak havoc on your hair color, just like they can on your skin. Prolonged exposure to the sun can lead to significant fading and even change the tone of your color. Over time, sun exposure can lead to brassiness, fading, and overall color distortion. But don't worry, babe. There are ways to protect your hair from the sun, like wearing a hat or using hair products with UV protection. With a few simple tweaks to your hair care routine, you can keep your color looking fresh and fabulous for longer. Use color-safe shampoos and conditioners. Wash your hair less frequently, and always rinse with cool water. Also, consider using a leave-in conditioner or a hair mask to keep your hair hydrated and healthy. And don't forget to protect your hair from the sun. By taking these steps, you can enjoy your beautiful color for much longer. Listen up, color-treated queens. If you're not using a sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner, you're missing out. Sulfates are harsh detergents that can strip away your hair's natural oils and, you guessed it, your precious hair color. Sulfate-free formulas, on the other hand, gently cleanse your hair without roughing up the cuticle. This helps to lock in color and prevent premature fading. Look for products specifically designed for color-treated hair, as they often contain extra goodies like antioxidants and UV filters for added protection. Trust me, your hair will thank you. I know, a cold shower doesn't sound very appealing. The thought of stepping into icy water can make anyone shiver. But before you dismiss the idea, let me share some amazing benefits that might just change your mind. But trust me on this one, babe. Cold water rinses are not just a trend, they are a game changer for your hair care routine. Imagine stepping out of the shower with hair that feels stronger, looks shinier, and stays vibrant for longer. Rinsing your hair with cold water is like a secret weapon for color longevity. If you've invested time and money into coloring your hair, you want that color to last as long as possible, right? Cold water helps to lock in that beautiful color, making it last longer between salon visits. Remember how I mentioned that hot water opens up the hair cuticle? When the cuticle is open, it allows moisture and color to escape, which can lead to dull, faded hair. Well, cold water does the opposite. It helps to seal the cuticle tight, trapping in moisture and color. This means your hair stays hydrated and your color remains vibrant. It's like giving your hair a protective shield. Plus, cold water helps to boost shine and reduce frizz, so it's a win-win. Shiny, frizz-free hair is something we all desire, and a quick cold rinse can help you achieve that effortlessly. The cold water smooths down the hair cuticle, reflecting light and giving your hair that enviable shine. You don't have to suffer through an entirely cold shower. Just give your hair a quick blast of cold water at the end of your wash. This small step can make a big difference. So next time you're in the shower, take a deep breath, brace yourself, and give it a try. Your hair will thank you for it. Just like your skin, your hair needs protection from the sun's harmful UV rays. Prolonged sun exposure can fade your color, dry out your strands, and even lead to breakage. No thank you. The good news is that there are plenty of ways to shield your hair from the sun's damaging rays. First and foremost, always wear a hat when you're spending time outdoors, especially during peak sun hours. You can also find hair products that contain UV filters, like leave-in conditioners, serums, and even hairsprays. Section 5. Protective styles for vibrant color braids, buns, and beyond. Get creative with your hairstyles to protect your color. Braids, buns, and twists are not only chic and trendy but also fantastic for keeping your hair color vibrant. These styles help to minimize friction, which can lead to breakage and color fading. Plus, they keep your hair tucked away from the sun and other environmental aggressors. Don't be afraid to experiment with different styles and accessories. Scarves, headbands, and hats can all add a touch of personality to your look while providing extra protection for your color. Section 6. Show your color. Some love, deep conditioning, and hair masks. When it comes to maintaining the vibrancy and health of your color-treated hair, deep conditioning and hair masks are your best friends. These treatments are essential in keeping your hair looking its best. Color-treated hair deserves some extra TLC. The process of coloring can strip your hair of its natural moisture, leaving it dry and prone to damage. That's why it's crucial to give it the extra care it needs. Deep conditioners and hair masks are like supercharged treatments that deliver intense hydration and nourishment to your strands. They work by penetrating the hair shaft to repair and strengthen from within, making your hair more resilient and vibrant. Look for products that are specifically formulated for color-treated hair, as they often contain ingredients that help to repair damage, prevent breakage, and enhance color vibrancy. Ingredients like keratin, argan oil, and shea butter are particularly beneficial. Indulge in a deep conditioning treatment at least once a week, or even more often if your hair is particularly dry or damaged. Consistency is key to maintaining the health and beauty of your color-treated hair. Leave the treatment in for the recommended time to allow the ingredients to penetrate deeply into your hair shaft. This ensures that your hair gets the maximum benefit from the nourishing ingredients. For an extra boost, you can even wrap your hair in a warm towel or use a shower cap to create a warm environment that helps the treatment work even better. After rinsing out the treatment, you'll notice that your hair feels softer, looks shinier, and your color appears more vibrant. Regular deep conditioning and hair masks can make a significant difference in the overall health and appearance of your hair. Remember, investing in good quality hair care products is investing in the longevity and beauty of your color-treated hair. So, take the time to pamper your hair with deep conditioning and hair masks, and enjoy the stunning results. Section 7. Heat styling with care, minimizing damage for lasting color. Listen, I love a good blowout as much as the next person, but excessive heat styling can spell disaster for color-treated hair. Heat can strip away moisture, leading to dryness, breakage, and yes, even color fading. But don't worry, you don't have to ditch your hot tools altogether. Just make sure to use a heat protectant spray every single time you apply heat to your hair. A heat protectant spray creates a barrier between your hair and the heat, minimizing damage and preserving your color. Section 8. The Salon Secret, regular touch-ups for color longevity. Let's be real, even with the best hair care routine, color-treated hair will eventually fade. But that doesn't mean you have to live with dull, lifeless locks. Regular salon visits are key to maintaining vibrant, healthy-looking color. Schedule touch-up appointments with your stylist every 4 to 6 weeks, or more frequently if you have a more high-maintenance color like platinum blonde or bright red. Your stylist can refresh your color, touch up your roots, and recommend the best products to keep your hair looking its best between appointments. Section 9. Product power-ups, color depositing conditioners, and glosses. Want to give your color an extra boost between salon visits? Color depositing conditioners and glosses are your new best friends. These products deposit a small amount of pigment onto your hair with each use, helping to refresh your color and enhance its vibrancy. You can find color depositing conditioners and glosses in a wide range of shades to match your hair color, from subtle blonde enhancers to vibrant red and brunette hues. They're a quick and easy way to keep your color looking fresh and fabulous without having to hit the salon. Section 10. Embrace your inner rainbow. Experimenting with different hair colors. Life's too short for boring hair. Don't be afraid to experiment with different hair colors and find what makes you feel your most confident and fabulous. Whether you're dreaming of a subtle balayage, a bold fashion color, or something in between, there's a world of possibilities out there. Just remember to find a stylist you trust who specializes in color and uses high-quality products. With the right care and maintenance, you can rock any hair color you desire. Section 11. The confidence boost of vibrant hair, reaping the rewards of healthy, colorful locks. Honey, when your hair looks good, you feel good. There's nothing quite like the confidence boost that comes with rocking vibrant, healthy-looking hair. By following these tips and tricks, you can keep your color looking its best for longer and enjoy the many benefits that come with it. So go ahead, embrace your inner rainbow, and let your hair color shine.